Okay, I'm replacing this actually. I have another one and this is too difficult. Okay. Okay, now this was painted over. This is supposed to be golden. So I'm going to, you can actually see it's chipping off. I'm gonna remove this and see how much of this I can just scratch off and then paint it over in gold. And I have white for all the white parts. Although you can see the spray paint that they put on this. This is actually brush paint. Oh, okay. 3 screws. Right, you can see, oh, this is all paint. The paint didn't even hold up that good. And the KDK logo has been sprayed over, so that's gone. Right. This is the top that I'm gonna use for the KDK. So no need to paint this. And I also have these Induscom canopies that I'm not using because they have cracks. I'm gonna put those on the KDK since it didn't come with any. And the Panasonic came with just one canopy, but I have another Induscom canopy that's for that style. Just need to get these off, and it just comes off just like that. It's just the sticker stuff is still there. So this one does not seem to want to come off. So that's all for the KDK. I'm gonna start assembling that motor, and also I'm gonna try and free it, so I'll cut to that. Here's the KDK motor. So this is the squeaky one that you saw in that video that has like 85 views now, or 100, no, that has like hundreds now, so. So the solution is this. So I'm gonna take this motor and I'm gonna take the bearings out, and listen to this. Slight noise, but a lot better than this. So my plan will be to get the bearings out of this and put them in this, and then hopefully that'll be enough. You can also see they put a replacement capacitor on this. Alright, here it is. Now that it's actually a separate piece, I think I might get some What color should I use? I don't know. From the looks of it. Where's the shaft slit? The shaft is actually different. What about the top one? Okay. It should work. I'm hoping. Okay, this is the part where I just cut because I don't think I can film using the bearing puller. Or actually, I'm gonna try at least. So, we're gonna start by pulling off the new bearing. Okay. So we're ready. Alright. And as you know, we need to do that again. So I can put in these new bearings. This one's going in place of it. That is the last bearing I'll probably ever replace because that was a lot of work. Alright, here's our new bearing, right? Is this our new one? Oh no. Is this our new one? No, that's the one I just removed. That's the bottom one. Okay, this is our new one. replacement done. Alright, time to put back on all the metal plates. And there you go. Still noisy, but noisy enough to where I don't care. Because I don't have new bearings. I have back inside. Okay. Let's just get straight to this. It's working. There you go, bearings replaced. Please don't grind. Thank you. As you saw, it was grinding for no reason, and I was starting to panic. I'm gonna just lightly put these back in and not completely drill them back in. I'm just gonna slightly tighten them and see if that fixes it. Okay, this turned out like every other motor I disassemble where I work so hard and then it grinds or does something ridiculous. Hoping I won't need to take this apart again, unless it's another bearing replacement or something. So that should be it. Success.